Hello dear traders, let us review what major events drove the markets in the past week. The US dollar index lost 0.5% last week, while the broad stock market index S&P 500 ended 1.2% lower on heightened Brexit concerns and the Federal Reserve cautious stance on interest rate hikes. US stocks fell on Monday, with the dollar index moving lower ahead of Federal Reserve June 14-15 policy meeting. On Tuesday, the two-day Federal Open Market Committee policy meeting started, with stronger than expected May retail sales reading providing some positive background for Fed's monetary policy deliberations after disappointing May jobs report. The Federal Reserve statement on Wednesday contained little surprises as the central bank refrained from hiking the interest rate and took a cautious stance on future rate hikes, omitting any reference to a possible summer rate hike. Federal Reserve lowered its 2016 economic growth outlook to 2% from 2.2%, while stating that the growth in economic activity appears to have picked up. The pace of improvements in the labor market has slowed. The dot plot reflecting central bank officials' expectations for US economic performance indicated policymakers now project 2 rate hikes this year. It also revealed central bank officials lowered expectations for the pace of rate hikes to 3 interest rate increases in 2017 and 2018 instead of 4 hikes in both years. But dovish Fed statement failed to boost investors' confidence sufficiently, with concerns about the outcome of UK referendum resulting in the risk-off stance. The sell-off of risky equities continued as polls suggested that support for UK exit from EU is rising among the likely British voters, and the yield on 10 years US Treasury note fell to 1.856%, its lowest level since November 2012, with increased demand for haven assets. On Thursday, US stocks recovered somewhat but retreated again on Friday. This week, Fed Chair Janet Yellen testifies to the US Congress on Tuesday and Wednesday. But the event with biggest potential for moving the markets is the UK vote on Brexit, which will take place on Thursday, June 23rd. UK's exit from the EU may result in a steep jump in financial market volatility around the globe. Flash June PMIs will be released in Japan, Eurozone and US on Thursday, and US durable goods orders for May and June consumer confidence will come out on Friday. This was all for the past week. Happy trading and see you next week.